Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. My family is an avid camping family, but not like tent camping. We kind of cheat and we glamp. We have RVs. So I wanted to create a tumbler that represented the beautiful starry night sky in a cute and compact cup. So today we are creating this night sky camping cup in just a 14-ounce tumbler. This one is just a few easy steps. So if you're ready, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. Here is that 14-ounce skinny tumbler, base painted with that same blue to purple to black night sky with spray paint. I am showing off my glitter colors here. I have a fine glitter of each color, black, purple, and blue, but also this Alexandrite, which is a chunky glitter that shifts from purple to blue, which is perfect to kind of pinch and sprinkle throughout this top portion of the night sky on this cup, which is going to give us a lot of depth and dimension instead of just having the fine glitter, which can sometimes fall a little flat. The first fine glitter I'm going in with is Carbon from the Glitter Grind. I am applying this to the very bottom of the cup. This is going to be essentially like the silhouette of the ground. So I am glittering the end of the cup, and then I have the cup not tilted too much right now, and I'm concentrating on that bottom rim. And when I'm ready to kind of start that ombre process, I tilt the cup up a little bit further on an angle and get my glitter up a lot higher and just barely sprinkle it to let it cascade down onto the purple. Next, I'm going to actually go in with the blue glitter, which is Tiffany from Mr. Nola's Glitter. And I'm kind of going to do the same thing. I'm going to concentrate on the rim of the cup first, and then I will start tilting the cup up and bringing the glitter shaker up higher to let a softer spread of the glitter kind of cascade down into the center where it's purple. That will create a soft blend when we ombre. When I'm happy with that coverage, I'm ready to go in with Purple Haze Junior, which is from Mr. Nola's Glitter, and I'm have the cup completely like parallel with the desktop, and I'm going right in the center of the purple section, and then I'm going to tilt the cup up at an angle and let it cascade down into the blue to get a soft ombre. And then I'm going to turn the cup around, tilt it up, and let it cascade into that black. This is how it's like angling, and a soft sprinkle is how you get a really soft ombre like you see here. I epoxied over this glitter just once actually and got the cup smooth enough to apply our decal and move on. So this decal I did get from Creative Fabrica. I did have to make a change to it. I added I believe the camper and the fire. So I kind of used an already pre-made template or an already pre-made decal and changed the images in the center a little bit. Now, to really set off our night sky, I am using this acrylic paint. I actually don't really know what it's called. I got it to line like the edges of coasters when I was making coaster molds out of epoxy, but I don't really do that anymore. So I just have these sitting around. I have a gold and a silver. So I'm just taking a small paintbrush and just dotting the sky with a couple random dots. I wanted these to like be our twinkling stars in the night. I am primarily putting these in the blue section of the sky. And then here I am actually doing like a cross almost on some of these bigger spots. You know, because I don't know if you have seen like cartoony skies, pixelated skies, if you want to call it that. But that's what they do. They do these little like crosses to set off the bigger stars to show them twinkling and shining. And just like that, this cup is done. Let this paint dry and epoxy over it twice. And here she is. She's cute. I think she's beautiful. I hope you love it. See y'all next time. Bye now.